Hello friend, assalamu alaikum. How are you? Very simple, easy to earn the online platform, the YouTube SEO. Very simple work, how to make money and earn money online. I am sharing my computer. I'm share my computer. This is my computer share. This is the video. Very easy and simple work. Very easy. My few minutes ago this video uploading and just SEO. SEO for 220 suggest, 428 keyword rank 100, and all tag is wow, all tag is the ranking 33333, high rank 2223, the high search volume keyword. Use these videos. Okay, I am the my YouTube channel. I am the my YouTube channel. First time my YouTube channel, YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. It is my videos. The create just video editing SEO. I am click editors. Edit. First time, I am the standard standard title, how to earn money Upwork with Canva design, social media design Canva tutorial. Is a very standard is a Canva tutorial. How to earn make money and standard description total, your completely standard description, the Canva description, Upwork description, just 5,000 word. I am the nice description writing my description. Then standard thumbnail, create the Canva design and standard thumbnail, the my project. Okay, this is my design. Okay, this is my thumbnail, create free thumbnail, create of Canva design, earn money and Upwork, very easy, and thumbnail create. Then videos, I'm uploading the thumbnail, HD thumbnail, and play category playlist, a lot of category, playlist, social media marketing, home, Upwork, and social media marketing. Then keyword is a very important part. Tag and hashtag, uses tag. Your tag is relevant searches online, the lot of YouTube search online, the search online, why YouTube, YouTube keyword research tool, YouTube keyword research. Just lot of keyword research, this tool, lot of YouTube keyword research. Then the one and two you check, BDQ, body, etc. etc. Okay, lot of tools. The one tools. This is tools in search, lot trees, keyword trees, tool the search. A lot of keyword. This is the search and sign up BIDQ. Okay, the create an account in search this search volume, lot of YouTube with keyword. Okay, keyword search volume, search, make money, make money. Just one keyword search. Okay, a lot of word, make money. Make money online. Just keyword. Keyword is a very important part. Keyword research. Lot of keyword. This is rank, make money online, make money 23, make money 20, make money PayPal, make money online today, make money. The lot of keyword. Okay, you can search keyword research, global, worldwide, English, keyword. Keyword tools. There's lot of tools how to make money. Volume 40 lakhs 81. 20 plus 23% dollar rate, $1.5 is revenue. Right. Your first time a keyword research, make money and earn money. Earn money. Earn money keyword. Lot of keyword. The USPPC average. Earn money online. Earn money. Very important. Earn money online. Okay. Earn money online. Earn money online. $10 is a very important keyword. Earn money online. Your video editing. Earn money online. Okay, earn money online is a very important keyword. This is keyword research, the Canva design keyword, earn money online, social network, Upwork, and this nice system, the keyword research and tag, keyword research, lot of keyword research. Okay, lot of free size keyword research. Then keyword research and use keyword research use keyword research use, then video tag discussion, video tag, uh, description, keyword, playlist, and tag. Very important person tag. Same things. Right side, the indie skin, click indie skin. Okay, click indie skin. Your my indie skin. Any videos? Okay, indie skin and in the skin card, subtitle, etc. etc. use. Then my SE score 50-50. Wow. Tube body SE score, my SE video SE score 50-50. Very important. The video SE 100% score, 50-50 score. Okay. And very easy, 100 to 100, 50-50, 100% score SE score, complete and save. Okay. Save back to videos and this system view to click, just click. Okay, okay, click and this views, just new video upload, views one like, and reload, just do it. Just do it. Just loading and keyword research. 4 views, no comment, 1 like, SE score is 100%. For 24 views, shows the keyword rank. Wow, the all keyword is ranked 233 232 fine. 28 keyword is ranked. The complete the YouTube SEO. The same work is complete YouTube SEO. Same work is complete YouTube as SEO. Very simple and Fiverr. Okay, the Fiverr.com, www.fiverr.com. The how to charge video SEO. Okay, YouTube video SEO. I am searching. video SEO. The lot of video SEO. This lot of video SEO. This person is top rated seller. I'm opening video SEO. This video SEO your 600 your premium $3,000 the more $1,000 optimized YouTube video SEO is offering details more for Fiverr. This person is top rated seller. I will do best YouTube video SEO expert optimize and channel grow manager. Your best price $195. Videos keyword research, very important keyword research, optimize meta title description, editing social media platform like playlist and researching share hashtag top hashtag condition video etc etc. Same thing as all work is complete my videos. Same buyers is a nice work, the $1,000 US dollar income. Okay. So friends, your very simple work, YouTube video SEO, lot of seller earn money on Fiverr Marketplace and YouTube video SEO. Lot of seller, YouTube video SEO, lot of seller. Very easy and simple way. YouTube video is top rated seller. I click and top rated seller, top rated seller, top rated seller. A lot of seller I see. This seller is I will optimize YouTube video for SEO. This work complete 700 and $175. He's offering. I am the certified Google digital marketer, e-commerce specialist, Google data analytics specialist, metadata. Welcome to my YouTube SEO service. I help you boost an YouTube SEO friendly title, optimize viral hashtag and tag SEO friendly, video optimize, go etc etc. You're offering. This seller is Roman La. Each person I'll do best YouTube video SEO expert, optimize and channel grow manager. Oh, the your offer. Eurofer, YouTube, keyword research. This is the nice keyword research optimized video title, tag and description and growth, editing the social media platform and playlist, lies and top research hashtag and tag. Okay, etc. Same this person. Wow, that was $1,300. I'll do SEO or YouTube channel and videos big time. $300. Wow. $1,300 SEO. Why? Already 40 orders complete. 40 orders complete. I'm calculating 40 into $1,300. Wow, $52,000. Just simple work on YouTube SEO. Wow. Wow. Very simple work. YouTube video SEO. Very simple work. Number 2 page. YouTube video SEO. YouTube SEO and promotion. Oh, a lot of seller offering this price. So hello friends, you are the very easy and simple YouTube video SEO and tag and hashtag and tag and hashtag. Tag and hashtag, very simple video SEO and keyword research. Research keyword tag uses and apply the YouTube video and ranking YouTube channel. Same things, you search Fiverr marketplace YouTube video SEOs. I am search YouTube video SEOs and search word search the lot of seller, the top rated seller, lot of money income, the big money income for online plus. So you can how to make money, on the online platform, the Fiverr marketplace, and very easy and simple YouTube video SEO, on page SEO, tube body and BID keyword, the 100% SEO score, 28 keyword rank and Facebook sharing, all keyword, make money online 3, earn money with Canva 3, how to make money online 3, Canva design 3, earn money online 3, earn maximum keyword and rank 3. Wow, 2, make money using Canva 2, number 2 ranking, keyword, make money. Wow, how to make money with Canva 2 ranking in Instagram, earn money home, etc, etc. Your first time YouTube video SEOs, first time your keyword research, tag research, hashtag research. Same thing, good skill and earn, good skill and SEO score 100%. SEO score is 100% best order on marketplace. Your Fiverr marketplace video SEO, a lot of seller the sell your gig and your offer YouTube video SEO, BDQ, tube body. A lot of people, YouTube sellers. So thank you very much. Your practice and then try good skill in YouTube video as you how to earn money on online platform. Best of luck. Thank you very much. Best of luck on my friend. You have just trying an YouTube video SEO. Your skill and very important the earn marketplace. Thank you. Please subscribe, comment, and sharing your valuable comment my videos. Thank you. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.